Hi everyone, it's Kristi. I am back with another grocery haul video. This week I did a pretty good size Aldi haul. If you're new here, I do follow the Weight Watchers program, so I do give Weight Watcher points, but I also try to share calories on my channel as well. But as I always say, just use what I'm giving you as a guide. Always make sure to scan your items yourself. For the fruits and vegetables, I don't give the calories for those because it just depends on how much you have of it. On Weight Watchers, it's 0 points for fruits and vegetables unless you're on the diabetic program. Then you do have to count your fruit, and also I have some non-fat Greek yogurt. You have to count that if you're on the diabetic program as well. All right, so starting down here with the either love it or hate it cilantro. I love it. My husband hates it. Also got some few things of zucchini. I absolutely love zucchini, so I usually stock up on that. And then I also got some yellow squash as well. I also got a thing of fresh basil, and then I got some broccoli, a bag of spinach, and then a big thing of spring mix. So this week I'm probably just going to be throwing salads together for my lunches. I honestly haven't been meal prepping lately. We've just been having stuff going on every single weekend, so I really just haven't had time to meal prep on the weekend, but I promise you I will get back to that shortly. And then I got back there a couple bags of Brussels sprouts. They're the frozen ones. We really like those kind. I got some mushrooms, some red, yellow, and orange bell peppers, and then a thing of green bell peppers. I got a thing of carrots. I also got our favorite apples, the Cosmic Crisp apples. And then a couple of things of onions. I got some red onions and also some sweet onions. I got a head of lettuce, some Roma tomatoes here, and then some of the little cherry tomatoes or salad tomatoes, whatever they're called. I also got some baby carrots, and I got some avocado. These are the mini avocados. We really like these kind. And avocados are not zero on Weight Watchers. For these, I want to say you can have like 32 grams, maybe 31 grams, somewhere around 30 grams for 1 point, and then like 50 calories. I got a couple of things of seedless cucumbers, and then I got a bag of limes and a bag of lemons. I got a thing of asparagus. So I think that's it for 0 point fruits and vegetables. Oh no, I got this. This is Hearts of Palm, 0 points, angel hair pasta. It's only 4 grams of carbs per serving, 20 calories per serving, 0 points. So I have actually never had this before. So let me know if you've tried this, if you like it, if you have any tips or tricks. Do you do it kind of like just like pasta? Do you just heat it up? I guess I didn't even read like the instructions. Rinse and drain with plenty of water. So let me know any tips or tricks that you have to this, or if you like it. Is it kind of bland? I just thought I'd give it a try. I also got some potatoes. For those, it's 3 points for a 5.3 ounce potato, and then I think right around 110 calories for that. Oh, and then 0 points for the berry medley. It's just a frozen fruit. It's got blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, and then I picked up these almonds, pecans, and pistachio kernels. 5 points for a quarter of a cup. Usually I just have like an eighth of a cup when I have them. Sometimes I'll just toss a few of them in like a smoothie just to give it a little bit of added healthy fats. And then 170 calories for 1 ounce. So moving on to all the cheeses, I got some white cheddar. This is 5 points for 1 ounce and 110 calories. And then I also got my favorite, feta. This is 2 points for 1 ounce or 60 calories. Usually I just have half an ounce for 30 calories and 1 point. I also got some mozzarella, 3 points for 1 ounce and 80 calories. And then also some full fat cream cheese. This is 5 points for 2 tablespoons, but I usually just use this like in different recipes, and then usually it's like a recipe that calls for maybe a tablespoon of it. And then it is 90 calories for 1 ounce. And then I also got some provolone cheese. This is 3 points per slice and 70 calories. And also some Parmigiano Reggiano. I don't know how you say that. Some kind of Parmesan cheese. And this is 5 points for 1 ounce and 120 calories for 1 ounce. All right, and then I got some ham slices. These are, you can have 2 ounces for 1 point. And for calories, there's 60 calories for 2 ounces. I got some 93% lean ground beef. That's 4 points for 4 ounces and 170 calories. A couple things of those. I also got some turkey pepperoni. For this kind, you can have 22 slices for 2 points. 13 slices is 1, and then I think you can have 4 slices for 0. And then for calories, it's 70 calories for 16 slices. I also got a bunch of salmon. I think I got 3 packages of salmon. I think I'm going to cook this up maybe like Monday morning before I head to work, and I'll just use it for my salads for like the next 3 days. I also found this whole butterflied chicken. I don't know if you can really tell. It's lemon and herb seasoned. So I haven't seen these before, so let me know if you've tried these. For this kind, I'm going to count this one, I would say probably 2 points because there is marinade in it. And then for calories, it's 220 calories for 4 ounces. And then I also got some petite sirloin steak. This kind I count as 6 points for 4 ounces. And then calories on this is 230 calories for 4 ounces. I got a thing of eggs, 0 points on Weight Watchers, 70 calories per egg. I got some chicken breakfast sausage. 1 link is 45 calories or 1 point. If you have 2 links, it does become 3 points. I also got some turkey breast. This is the oven classic, so this one is 0 points for Weight Watchers. And for calories for 2 slices is 60 calories. I got a thing of center cut bacon, 1 slice for 1 point. For 2 slices, it's 50 calories. And then they had, I really like these pork chops they have. They're really good, and they're pretty thick. You can see I prefer the thicker ones. These I count as 2 points for 1 ounce. And for calories, it is 190 calories for 4 ounces. I got some chicken thigh fillets, 3 points for 4 ounces. And then for calories, it's 160 calories for 4 ounces. I got a couple of things of those. Some 0 point scallops, 0 points on Weight Watchers, and 100 calories for 4 ounces. I got these. My husband absolutely loves these, and they've been out. They haven't carried them for some time, so he's been pretty bummed. So I saw they had them again, so I grabbed 2 of them. This is garlic aioli spread. These are 2 points. I think I have a recipe that I've used this with. It was really good. I can't remember which one it is. If I can find it, I'll put a link to it down in the description box. 2 points for a tablespoon or 50 calories for a tablespoon. And then I also found this avocado serrano hot sauce. For this, it's 0 points for 1 teaspoon. And then if you have, you can have up to 5 teaspoons for just 1 point. So it says it's a creamy and robust flavored hot sauce with notes of avocado, tomatillo, lime, and garlic. So I'm really anxious to try that. I also got a thing of olive oil spray. I got some heavy cream. That is 3 points for 1 tablespoon. And for calories, 50 calories for a tablespoon. Also got some grated cheese, Parmigiano Romano grated cheese, 3 teaspoons for 1 point or 20 calories for 2 teaspoons. I got a thing of just some salt-free seasoning. And then my husband likes the A2 milk, but they don't sell that there. So I just got this organic grass-fed. I'm going to see if he likes that. He has to be careful on the kind of milk that he has. It sometimes can bother his gut. So he'll try that, see if he likes it. 5 points for 1 cup of that and 120 calories. Back there, I got some panko breadcrumbs. Those are 3 points for half a cup and 100 calories. Some light orange juice, 2 points for a cup and 50 calories. And then I got some avocado oil and also some olive oil. And I think those are like, what, 5 points maybe for a tablespoon and like 120 calories. I also got some cottage cheese. I didn't need to go to Publix, so I just, you know, I usually love the Good Culture cottage cheese, but I can only find it at my Publix. So I just picked this kind up for now. This is the low-fat cottage cheese, 2 points for half a cup and 90 calories for half a cup. I got a thing of black beans, 0 points on Weight Watchers, 110 calories for half a cup. Some non-fat Greek yogurt, 0 points on Weight Watchers unless you're on the diabetic program, and 90 calories for 3/4 of a cup. I got a couple things of canned mushrooms. Don't hate on me for the canned mushrooms. 0 points on Weight Watchers, 35 calories for the whole can. I got a couple things of black olives. You can have 4 olives for 1 point and 30 calories. A couple things of green beans, 0 points on Weight Watchers, 20 calories for half a cup. And then I got some green olives. You can have 6 of these for 1 point. And for calories, it's 4 olives is 25 calories. I got some skipjack tuna, 0 points on Weight Watchers, 110 calories for the whole can. I got some light sour cream, 2 points for 2 tablespoons. And for calories, it is 35 calories for 2 tablespoons. Some bacon bits, 1 point for 1 tablespoon. And 30 calories for the tablespoon. Also some canned potatoes. These ones you can have 3/4 of a cup for 1 point. And for calories, it's 60 calories for 2/3 of a cup, or you can have the whole container for 160. And then the other things I got back there are some beef stock and also some chicken stock. Those are both 0 points on Weight Watchers, and 15 calories for the beef, 10 calories for the chicken, and that's for 1 cup. So that's my pretty big Aldi haul this week, and I ended up spending about $290, which when I had it in my car, I thought that is just not a lot of food for $290, which compared to years ago, it's not. But I did get quite a bit of meat, so I guess that's not too bad. So as always, I appreciate your thumbs up and your comments. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.